Now, in this video of class 7 history chapter number 2, rise of new kingdoms, I'll start with another topic, and the topic is the administration of the Cholas. If I talk about the administration, the king was the most powerful person but was expected to take advice from their ministers or from his purohit. Okay, so the king was the most powerful person. He used to take advice from the ministers or from his purohit. The administration was also looked after by assemblies, looked after by assemblies or towns at village level. King's administration was also looked by the assemblies at towns or village level. For easy and efficient administration, what the king used to do. For easy and efficient administration, the Chola Empire was divided into different mandalams or provinces. Each mandalam is governed by a governor. Each mandalam is having his own governor. Then each mandalam or province is further divided into Valanadus and Nadus. Valanadus are the districts or nagarams, districts or towns, yeah, vala nadus or nagarams, and nadus are the group of villages. So the Chola Empire was divided into mandalam is further divided into vala nadus, nagarams or nadus, vala nadus or nagarams and nadus. Large towns were called taniyar. The large towns, which are the large ones, they were known as taniyot. There, the governors were from the royal family. Those who are appointed as a governor of the mandalams should belong to a royal family. Now we talk about the associations and assemblies of the Chola administration. If we talk about the associations or assemblies, were the most important part of the Chola administration. They performed the role of the local self-government. They performed the role of a local self-government. In rural areas, these assemblies are divided into Ur and Sabha. These two are the important assemblies involved in local government in rural areas. The Ur was like a general assembly of people who were the owners of the land. The members of Ur and Sabha have so the people belongs to, it is a general assembly of the people, and who are the members of this assembly? The people who are the owners of the land. And Sabha, if I talk about Sabha, so the function of the Sabha are described in Parantaka's inscription, which says that it operated through committees that look after different aspects of local government administration, like temple, gardens, land revenue, and law and order. So, if we talk about the members of both the assemblies, Zor and Sabha, the members had to be honest and submit their own and family members' account. Then only they can become the members of Ur and Sabha. Large trading corporations were called manigramams, and these manigramams operated in inland towns as well as in the coastal areas. Now, if we talk about the agriculture during the Cholas, so Cholas made new developments in agriculture. They opened up areas for large scale cultivation. They also leveled land and cleared the forest. Cholas learned and introduced the art of growing two crops in a year, and they excelled in the cultivation of rice. If we talk about the irrigation system, irrigation we all know, the artificial means of giving water to the plants or in farming. So Cholas had well organized irrigation system. The branches of Kaveri river were divided into several small channels that deposited fertile alluvial on the banks. This technique resulted in making the land fertile and as a result in producing good crops. So to prevent flooding, embankments were constructed in the delta region. Artificial water cropping were also used. and artificial water cropping were also used, and Chola also constructed canals to carry water to the fields. If we talk about in some areas, were dug, huge tanks were also constructed to collect rainwater. A great dam across the river Kaveri also made, and Tanjavur, the capital, was known as the granary of the south. So the Chola temples were very rich, hence, they took the initiative to invest in agriculture. They gave economic support to bring barren lands under cultivation and also for irrigation. Even the kings gave away lands in dry areas which could be developed for agriculture. So, the Chola period is regarded as one of the most spectacular and remarkable periods in